Today I'll show you how I built an AI agent, where I messed up, and what I learned. At Pragmatic Coders, I work in marketing and sales. I never done anything like building AI agents before, but I thought, why not try? You see all those TikToks saying, you can automate everything without knowing anything. So I wanted to check if that's even true. I didn't ask our AI team for help. I just used ChatGPT. Did I build a perfect tool that works 100%? Hell no. But I learned a lot, and I want to share it with you. So what was the idea? I wanted to make an AI agent that replies to YouTube comments using ChatGPT. Before that, I was doing it myself, also using ChatGPT. Don't tell anyone. So I thought, if it already works like that, then building an agent should be easy, right? Right? Let me show you how it really works. Before we dive in, just a couple things to explain, so you know what I'm talking about. I use the tool called N8N. It's a workflow automation platform, simple and intuitive. We use the self-hosted version, so it might look a bit different from the cloud one. Let me break down two things. Node is a single step in your workflow that performs a specific action, like gating data, transformating it, or sending it somewhere. Workflow, that's a bunch of nodes connected together, automating a full task. At first, I thought it'd be super easy. Log in to Nathan, connect YouTube, set up ChatGPT, done. Yeah, not quite. So what does the agent actually do? It gets comments from our YouTube channel, processes them, and sends a reply straight to its Slack channel. It's not fully automated. I couldn't get that part to work, but that's fine. This way I still have some control, and I don't have to worry that the bot will say something dumb. So, automation, but with manual control. It's not bug, it's a feature. Now you might ask, so how does it work? Well, ask ChatGPT. No, seriously, I'm not gonna explain you every particular node in this workflow, because that's my experience. I trusted AI to create its little brother. But here's the big picture. First, I set a trigger. The workflow runs every 10 minutes. Then YouTube node. Surprise! It doesn't support comments. At that moment, I thought this automation is not gonna happen, but I made a screenshot, sent it to ChatGPT, and asked him what to do. Voila! It gave me a different solution. So, this part of the workflow grabs the latest video, then pulls in the comments with their IDs. But how does it know what's new and what's already been answered? Good question. I made a Google Sheet that works like memory. Every time a comment gets a reply, the comment ID is saved. Next time, it knows what's new and what's to skip. Simple and smart. Then we move on. Each comment gets merged with its ID, and I add some context. The video transcript. Now, small problem. The GPT model can't handle so much text. I had to trim the context. That means the answer might not be super deep sometimes. But hey, it still works. Then, I hooked up Slack to N8N. That was fast, like under 3 minutes. Boom! The bot was alive. Now, every 10 minutes, if there is a new comment, I get a response from the bot in Slack. Next is the fun part, the OpenAI message node. This is where the real magic happens. Here's the prompt I used. So, as you can see, the agent works. It's not perfect, it's not fully automated. I spent over 3 weeks on this, and it ended up very different from what I first imagined. But I'm still proud of it. For someone without much experience, it's cool to see something actually working. But let's be real. Just because something works doesn't mean it brings value. You can spend weeks building something that technically works, but doesn't really help your business or your users. So, if you want a real, pro-level AI agent for your business, something that actually saves time and helps you grow, let our team at Pragmatic Coders build it for you. Contact us and get consultation from specialists in AI agents.